Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, how are you? Shiba declined in an up channel. Can the bulls inflict a breakout? Shiba lift off from the $0.01044 level in the last month set the stage for a bearish pennant setup on the daily charts. But the 20 EMA, red, and the 50 EMA, cyan, continued to pose recovery barriers and induced a reversal. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. This reversal inflicted a pattern breakdown that put Shiba back on a bearish track. In the meantime, this descent entailed a down channel, yellow. While the 20/50ths EMAs looked south, sellers would continue exerting their near-term edge. A rebound from the $0.00984 support could spring a potential break above the current pattern. In this case, the $0.01044 minus $0.01065 range could undermine the buying efforts. An immediate or eventual close above this range can expose the token to a well-needed upside. In such circumstances, Shiba could witness a bearish invalidation and test the $0.011 zone. On the flip side, any decline below the immediate support could propel a retest of the lower trendline of the down channel. The check-in money flows, CMF, jump above the zero mark resonated with the heightened buying pressure. But its higher troughs over the last few days bearishly diverged with the price action. Nonetheless, a consistent position above the midline could fuel the bullish narrative. An increase in open interest alongside the price and analysis of the total Shiba futures open interest revealed a nearly 5.22% incline in open interest over the last 24 hours. Correspondingly, the price action marked a nearly 3% jump during the same time. Shiba Inu can now be utilized on Amazon and Netflix according to an announcement made by the crypto payment gateway FCF Pay. Shiba Inu can now be accepted for its prepaid crypto debit card. Shiba thus becomes the first non-stablecoin accepted for the FCF Pay crypto cards, which can be used in several places, including Amazon and Netflix. The card could also be included in Google Pay to be used in store. As reported by You Today, FCF Pay announced support for the Shiba Inu trifecta, Shiba, Bone and Leash, as it added Bone and Leash's payment options across its merchant network a while back. Shiba Inu coin price prediction 2025 to 2030. And ROI of greater than 3,000% may be likely if, of the most well-known meme coins, Shiba Inu, is named after a breed of Japanese dog. It is currently the second most popular meme coin and is hailed as a Dogecoin killer. Shiba is currently among the top 15 cryptocurrencies in use. An entrepreneur founded Shiba Inu in 2020, and it has expanded over the past 2 years. It has also received support from tech millionaires like Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin. People who previously missed the Dogecoin fever are being drawn in by Shiba Inu. Meme coins, which are not meant to be taken seriously, have become more popular as a result of investors looking to join the joke. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, Shiba is an ERC20 token that gives tough competition to Doge, the pioneering meme coin itself. Meme coins weren't meant to be reckoned with seriously but have caught on when investors begin to take an interest to get in on the joke. Shiba Inu initially began its journey with a supply of 1 quadrillion. 50% of this supply was locked and the rest of it was burned to Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum's founder. Soon, the meme coin will migrate to Layer 2 following the Shibarium update. Shiba Inu has been known to be a disruptor when it comes to management and operations. The enterprise began with a supply of 1 quadrillion. Its founder Ryoshi first locked 50% in Uniswap and then burned another 50% to Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum. We are yet to know why this step was taken. Later in 2021, Buterin decided to burn 90% of his Shiba Inu holdings and donate the rest to charities. He had earlier donated Shiba tokens worth $1 billion to a COVID-19 relief fund for India, Crypto Relief. He said that this was the only way he could avoid his transactions in Shiba Inu being read as actions. Buterin's decision to burn his holdings, nearly 50% of the Shiba Inu coins in circulation, effectively put them outside the purview of the market since these coins are now stored on an inaccessible public address. Ryoshi thanked Buterin for his contribution to creating a decentralized financial system. Buterin has also praised the Shiba Inu community for supporting different initiatives such as the Fellows in AI Existential Safety. The platform also supports the Shiba Inu Incubator, facilitating a large group of creative digital artists who bring forth an experience of what feels like a decentralized movement. The NFT project gives support to artists in the creation, exhibition, promotion and auction of their artworks, besides providing them other streams of income. In early August this year, the Shiba Inu ecosystem announced on Twitter the name of the Shiba CCG game, Shiba Eternity. The check-in money flows, CMF, jump above the zero mark resonated with the heightened buying pressure. But its higher troughs over the last few days bearishly diverged with the price action. Nonetheless, a consistent position above the midline could fuel the bullish narrative. An increase in open interest alongside the price and analysis of the total SHIB futures open interest revealed a nearly 5.22% incline in open interest over the last 24 hours. Correspondingly, the price action marked a nearly 3% jump during the same time. This reading entailed a bullish sign for the near term. Should the buyers capitalize on this, any break above the current pattern could position the token for a bull run. Also, the alt shared a 43% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. Thus, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement with the overall market sentiment could be essential to identify any bearish invalidations. Inan wallets shift 226 billion Shiba Inu just hours before SHIB reached this milestone. Twitter user at ShibaPlay_ has shared that in the past 24 hours, 2 massive transactions of Shiba Inu were performed. In these transfers, 2 lumps of slightly more than 100 billion meme coins were moved. In the meantime, SHIB has been added by this popular crypto payment gateway to its prepaid cards that can be used to pay for accessing Netflix and to buy goods on the Amazon behemoth. Whale moves 226 million SHIB bone price was up 3.72% at 93 cents. While the reason for the spike in utility remains unknown, it seems whales are content to employ another Shiba Inu ecosystem token while SHIB sits in their wallets. Whales continue to hodl Shiba Inu, as seen in fewer active SHIB addresses in the last 24 hours per whale stats data. Shiba Inu also remains the biggest holding of the top 1,000 ETH whales, who are now hodling $124 million worth of SHIB. SHIB is recording more hodlers, or long-term holders, as the bear market evolves. Per Into the Block's holders composition by time held, 36% of SHIB holders have held onto their tokens for more than a year, 61% have held within a year, and 3% have held onto their tokens for less than a month. Can Shiba Inu reach $1 by 2023? Shiba Inu gained around 46 million % in 2021. Is an encore performance in the works? Dating back more than a century, no asset class has more consistently made investors richer than the stock market. Even though stocks occasionally underperform bonds, commodities, and housing, none of these asset classes comes close to matching the long-term average annual return of the broader market. But things change drastically if you're just looking at the performance of asset classes over the past couple of years. Since the March 2020 COVID-19 pandemic bottom, cryptocurrencies have run absolute circles around the stock market. Whereas the benchmark S&P 500 has pretty much doubled in 2 years, the aggregate value of all digital currencies is up by more than 1,200% to $1.88 trillion. Though crypto's big two, Bitcoin and Ethereum, get a lot of credit for this surge in digital currency market value, it's the historic increase from meme coin Shiba Inu, 0.37%, that has really dropped jaws. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.